English essay Janmashtami. Janmashtami is a popular religious festival of the Hindus. It is a festival to mark the birth of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna was born at midnight on the eighth day in the dark half of the month of Shravan. Janmashtami is celebrated with joy all over India. The temples of Lord Krishna are decorated with flowers and colorful lights. There are special programs of bhajans in the temples. The temples of Lord Krishna at Dwarka and Mathura are known for their grand celebrations. At 12 o'clock midnight, devotees go to the temples to take darshan of the birth of Lord Krishna. The cradle is beautifully decorated with flowers. Some people fast on this day. The following day is celebrated as Nand Mahotsav. The temples are filled with नंद गेरा नंद भयो जय कन्हैया लाल की. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.